In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step video on how to become a freelancer. If you've been considering remote work or if you've been discovering the world of freelancing, then this video is just for you. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm Shayan, a top-rated freelancer on Upwork with over 5 years of experience, and I've earned more than $20,000 online. I'm here to share my expertise and experience with you so you can become a freelancer and start your online business. The first step on how to become a freelancer is to define your goals. You need to take time, reflect, and think what you want to do and what you want to achieve with freelancing. Are you looking at freelancing as a side hustle or a supplement to your income? Or are you looking at it as a full-time business and to be the CEO of your own life? Understanding your goals on the earliest stage of freelancing helps you to determine your approach and take the right path. For example, if you're looking at freelancing as a side hustle, then you need to consider your current responsibilities, commitments, and evaluate how many hours per week can you work as a freelancer. You need to determine how many hours per week you can work as a freelancer so you can handle jobs successfully and also maintain a healthy work-life balance. On the other hand, if you're looking at freelancing as a full-time business and to become the CEO of your own life, then you might be willing to dedicate more time and effort to grow your online business. This might involve setting ambitious targets, pursuing higher paying projects, and actively seeking opportunities to expand your client base. Defining your goals early on will help you stay focused, motivated, and aligned with your desired outcomes. It's an essential foundation for building a successful freelance career. When it comes to freelancing, it's essential to learn a high-demand skill such as web design, digital marketing, or AI specialization, or anything that aligns with your passion and interests. Once you've chosen your skill set, it's time to narrow down your focus and specialize in a niche. Rather than being a generalist, focusing on a niche allows you to differentiate yourself from other freelancers and stand out in a crowded marketplace. For example, if you decided to be a web designer and earn money online by offering web design services, then you can narrow down on e-commerce websites or a specific industry like fashion or hospitality. Narrowing down your niche has several benefits. First of all, it helps you to become the expert in your niche and the go-to person. This helps you to build a strong reputation and deliver exceptional results. Secondly, by targeting a specific audience, you can tailor your marketing efforts and attract clients who are specifically looking for your expertise. Additionally, focusing on a niche helps you to avoid direct competition with other freelancers on popular platforms like Upwork. As you develop your skills and focus on a niche, it's important to build your portfolio as well. Your portfolio helps to demonstrate your expertise and experience to potential clients. Invest time in building a professional and visually appealing portfolio that highlights your best work and demonstrates your ability to meet client requirements. Your portfolio will serve as a powerful tool to impress potential clients and win projects. As a freelancer, you have enormous opportunities and possibilities to expand your online business and attract new clients. Now, let's take a look on some of them. Freelancing platforms like Upwork provide a convenient way to connect with clients and find freelance opportunities. With a large user base and a wide range of job categories, platforms like Upwork can be a great starting point for freelancers. By creating an impressive profile and showcasing your skills, you can attract clients and win projects. Speaking of Upwork, I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork with plus 5 years of experience. If you want to learn how to start freelancing on Upwork step by step, don't forget to check out my video right here. Another option is to start your own website and leverage it to attract new clients. Having a website gives you credibility. You can share testimonials, services, packages, or contact options on your own website. Additionally, you can drive traffic to your own website through SEO, search engines optimizations, or Google Ads. This way, clients can find you directly and approach you for projects. But don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook can be valuable tools for promoting your freelancing services. By sharing your work, industry insights, and engaging with your target audience, you can build a stronger personal brand and attract clients organically. Social media platforms offer an exceptional opportunity to you to network, connect with other freelancers, or attract new clients online. Remember that each of these solutions has its own advantages and considerations. You can also combine these strategies together to create a diversified client acquisition strategy. The key is to find the approach that aligns with your goals, requirements, and needs. When it comes to freelancing, patience is the key. Landing your first job or maintaining a stable source of income can take time, dedication, and effort. It's important to understand that building a successful online business or freelancing career takes time and needs patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't receive immediate responses or if you face initial rejections. Keep refining your skills, improving your portfolio, and pushing forward. Consistency is another essential factor in freelancing. Whether you're using freelancing platforms like Upwork or social media, it's very important to be consistent with your efforts. If you're using Upwork, you need to send proposals regularly on a daily basis to be consistent and stay active on the platform. If you're using social media, then you need to consistently create content that is engaging, attractive, and helps you to find new clients. Additionally, don't forget to engage with your audience, respond to inquiries, and demonstrate your expertise. Consistency builds trust and keeps you at the forefront of clients' minds. Furthermore, freelancing is an ever-evolving field, and it's vital to actively learn and adapt to stay ahead of the curve. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices in your industry. Attend webinars, workshops, and conferences, engage with online communities, and participate in relevant discussions. By consistently learning new skills, you will not only attract new clients, but also you will position yourself as a knowledgeable freelancer. Remember, success in freelancing is not an overnight achievement. It takes time, effort, and the commitment to continuous learning. Stay patient, be consistent, and embrace learning opportunities along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about freelancing, remote work, and personal development. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.